My people here, hello. My name is Newman Tumbe. I'm here to tell you all the simple way and the good way you can wash your hand to prevent all the baby sicknesses that are passing around. Especially Ebola, when I get plenty of our people in the country here. The good way to wash your hand is what I'm here to teach you. But the normal way we can do it is just like this. You can see people, as soon as they reach to the pump, they hold it like this. They do their hand like this. They do like this. They finish. We shake our hand, we back, or wipe it on our clothes. It's not correct at all. It's not good. I'm here to show you the real way. And the reason why we need to do it the real way is because sometimes you can see some people in your community, they can just hold their nose just like this. You see that? All that one, they take it, they do like this, they just rub their hand like this, or they rub it on their clothes. It's not correct. That one not a virus, that they small germ coming on your hand. Or you can see some of your people there, they take their finger, they shove it in their nose, they pick it all in their nose, they finish, they rub it on their hand, they shake your hand. It's not correct. Sometimes do your man, your layman get cross. You see him scratching all over, just like that. You know, and they can be here, they play, it can be sometimes. See my people, all that germ there, it can be right in your hand. You go test to know. Now one now, you go catch that big signal, you go with it. Some of your friends too, you see them, some there, they go downstairs too. And you know, they can't do it like they, or the other hand too, they take it like they. Some people too, they go in the toilet too, they just you say, meow. They now watch your hand, they can't, they touch the door, they touch the car, they shake your hand. All that big sickness, they buy around. It's not correct. That ain't not plenty of our people here. But the good way to wash your hand, to stop all the bad disease like Ebola from killing you, is the way I come and show you. Look at me, Google so you can learn, go teach other people. You reach to the bucket, if you get long sleeve like me, you lift for it, you pull it way up. Till the other one, you pull it way up. You face it good. If you get wash like me, you take out it. If you get ring, you take out it because of the soap water. Now you reach, first of all, you soak your hand first. The reason you soak your hand is because the soap, it may be too powerful, you burn your hand. But when you soak your hand now, it can't reach your real flesh, it will be in the water. Now you take your soap, you rub it. You rub the soap on your hand, now you rub it correct. You rub it like that. Now you wash the palm first. You do it like that, you wash the palm first. Because the germ you touch it with first, it may leave on the palm. So you wash it correct, you close it back. Now you come to your hand. You do it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You finish, you turn the hand back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You turn it to the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You finish with that one, you do your hand just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You turn the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget about your big finger because it was not here when you were rubbing the one. You do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do the other one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You finish with all that one. Don't forget about your nose. You remember all that picking nose scratching, they can sit down right here in the nose. So you hold it just like that, you hold it tight, you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You turn it on the other side. You're doing it with force, so you're not doing it just like baga. No, you press it hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You finish with all that one. Don't forget it there from here, it can come right here. So you hold your wrist. I didn't want to call wrist. You hold it right here. You can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You come to the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You finish with all that one now. Now you can open the palm easily and wash your hand. Don't take water, you put it on your hand just like that. No, don't do it like that. Open the palm, go. Then you open the palm. When you open the palm, you put your hand just like this. The soap will go by itself. You need to take water, you put it like no. You do it just like this. You do it like this. You do it like this. When you finish with all that one, you take small water, you pull it here. You pull it here so that you can lay germ for another man that come in. You say, so you close the palm here. But it close. After closing it, if you get towel, fine. If you not get towel, you do your hand like this. It will get dry. If you get handkerchief just like me, you take it. You wipe your hand. Just like this. Just like this. But if you not get handkerchief, look at me, if you not get handkerchief, don't rub it on your clothes. Don't rub it on your trousers. Don't rub it on your phone. Some people you can see them, they just hold their head, they rub it on their head. It's not correct. Just do your hand like this. You leave it like that. You see my hand? My hand, it will get dry by itself. You see it? How it looking? It correct now. No. You can take any food you eat. You'll be safe because what all the germ, all the bacteria that you contacted from the street, from your friend, it gone. Why I show you, if you not get a bucket, that get a pump, they want that is simple way that they want to get in our community. If you not get it, you call your son or your friend aside you to pour water for you. See you, Jumbo.
Yes, Baba.
I can't Irish. You know, Jumbo apply around whole lot today. Just wait you pour water on my hand, yeah? Wait. Sometimes all the places apart today, Jumbo, it's not good for me to test you. Yeah? You now know. Oh, I shake hand, all my friends. Yeah, when you come you yourself, you come from school, you must wash your hand. There, baby, to pour water on your hand or your man. Yeah? Yeah. Pour some more water for me first. Okay, wait for me now. Okay. And you seen it?
Yeah.
You must tell your friend now. You two that looking at me, you must tell your friend now. You do it like that. Wait for me. Oh. You want to go somewhere? You don't wait now. You do it, you rub it fine. And you take it the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you turn it. You looking at me?
Yeah.
Shine your arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You turn it on the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You take it again. You bring it because when we're washing it, we won't wash the player. So you turn it like that, you do it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You turn the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. John? Yeah. And you see the tongue here? Yeah. So now you can be scratching your leg back. No, you do it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You hold the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You finish with that one. Ain't no different here. You can come here. Yeah. And the family too, and then they close up. You hold your hand like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You ain't finish all? Yeah. Nah. Pour water for me. Don't be scared. Pour water there. When you finish your mouth draw it. Pull it there. Pull it there. Pull it. Oh, Gian, what? Gian, that it. Pull it there. Pull it there. You see it? Well, your man not put towel here. No towel here. So what you do when you go to school, you wash your hands, you do it like that. Don't rub it on your uniform. Don't rub it on your clothes. Don't rub it on your foot or on your head. Do your hand like that. It will get dry easily. You hear me? Yeah. You hear me?
Yes.
Okay. That's how it's good to wash your hand. You wash your hand very good. Go and tell the other people the same way I tell you.